If you want to become a mobile machine learning expert, then subscribe to this channel and check out our mobile machine learning courses available on Udemy. The discounted coupons are given in the description. And now let's look at the types of supervised machine learning. So there are two main types of supervised machine learning. The first one is regression and the second one is classification. So as in supervised machine learning, we are predicting the label based upon the features. So if our label is continuous, then it's called a regression problem, and if our label is categorical, then it is called a classification problem. So as we are predicting the salary of a person based upon his experience and certifications, so here the value of salary is continuous because it can be any value. So that is called a regression problem. On the other hand, if we are predicting the gender of a person based upon his height and weight, then we are predicting a categorical value because gender can be either male or female. So here this problem will be called classification. So in simple words, in supervised machine learning, if we are predicting a continuous value, then we are dealing with the regression problem. And if we are predicting a categorical value, then it is a classification problem. So now let's look at regression. So in regression, trained model is used to predict continuous numeric value. So for example, if our task is given experience and certification of person, predict his salary. So here our features are experience and certification of a person, and our label is salary. And as salary can be any value, so it is a regression problem. On the other hand, in classification, our trained model is predicting classes or categorical values. So for example, given a person height and weight, predict their gender, which is either male or female. So here our features are height and weight and our label is gender. So as this gender can be either male or female, so it is a categorical column. So here our label is categorical value, so it's a classification problem.